All right, so some of you guys saw that I implanted Antijob University in the episode 5 or 6 scene of It Welcome to Derry, and you were wondering why. Well, I'm going to show you how I did it, what AI I use as well. But let me first answer why. And the answer is attention, guys. The same way you'll watch a major fight between Mayweather and Pacquiao or something, or Javante Davis and Lamont Roach, and you'll see when they zoom in the ring, you'll see all of those different brands. It'll show Budweiser. It'll show 5 Hour Energy Drink. It'll show other competitors like UFC or HBO and stuff like that. They do that because eyeballs, if you know how to monetize the attention, you can make a lot of money. So they pay to get in front of that. So I figured out ways to bring virility to the brand of Antijob University by being Paul's top of mind of the current topics and stuff like that, right? So whatever people are watching, whatever people are interested in, if you want to get fast eyeballs to your products and services, you need to find a way to implant yourself into the conversation. It's very, very, very simple, and it's fun to do. Entertain first so that people are paying attention, and then you educate second, and then you pitch third. So I'm going to show you guys a video that I created showing me implant Antijob University into the It Welcome to Derry episode using AI. So which AI did I use? I used Sora. So some of you guys have heard of Sora before, and it's very popular. You saw those Yeti and Bigfoot videos before that, but that was VO3. So this time I use Sora. So it's about branding, positioning, and visibility, because if it doesn't matter how good your offer is if nobody sees your offer, if nobody knows that you have an awesome offer or something to help people with, how are you going to get sales? Right? So this is exactly why I am implementing this strategy with a lot of my products and services, because simply ranking in Google right now is not doing enough. Simply running Facebook ads and all of that stuff is not doing enough. People actually want to be entertained, and they want to be educated, and then they want an opportunity to get closer to you and your opportunity. So I strongly suggest you guys start implementing the same thing that you see me doing. But pay attention to this video real quick, and then I'm also going to show you guys the prompt that I use to do this.
Stay back.
So this is the Sora prompt I use to go ahead and make the realistic scene. You guys can pause the video and copy it if you need to. This will help you guys out a lot. You don't have to implement yours into the It TV show. This is just a show that I like watching, right? But this is the prompt. Copycat if you want to.